Welcome back, friends. I would go on that tools, and here I have to crop the image properly. So, guys, after cropping that pictures, I would go on that tools, and here I would go on that selection options. And friends, I have to select the image, and guys, after selecting it, and friends, now we could paste. I have to make the copy of it, and here we could apply different kinds of effects on it. And after doing that, guys, I could make paste. I could paste it on any size. So here I have to paste it at that point, and here we could choose that screen multiple, darken, lighten, and overlay, and add options for it. And I have to choose that normal options for the image. Thanks.